Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can turn off Google Discover on OnePlus Nord for 5G. There are two ways to actually get rid of this page over here. And the first method actually doesn't really completely remove the Google Discovery, but it removes the articles. So in order to do this, we need to tap on our avatar in the top right corner, then go to the settings. And over here we want to go to other settings, and over here we have Discover. We want to tap on the slider in order to turn it off. So now if we go back, and if we go all the way to the left page to Google Discovery, then you will see that there is no feed, there are no new news articles. However, if you want to completely get rid of this page, there is a way to do so. So in order to do that, we need to open the settings. And then in the settings, we want to scroll down and go to apps. Then go to app management, find Google. There we go. Open the app info, and we want to disable the app. And if we disable the app and enter the lock screen password as well, then the Google Discovery page will be now gone. However, there is a drawback. So some Google services will not work. For instance, the Google Assistant, it will not work as the Google app is disabled. So if you don't use Google Assistant, then I guess it's completely fine to turn off the Google app completely and not have the Google Discovery page at all. And if you, on the other hand, use Assistant, then unfortunately there is not much you can do in order to completely get rid of the Google Discovery. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.